When more than 35 years of experience is combined with intelligent engineering and creative ideas, compressed air technology reaches its pinnacle. Founded in 1985 in Israel, LTD is an air compressor manufacturing company providing top-quality compressed air solutions focusing on efficiency and durability. Located in Kiryat Bialik, Israel, our field experience made us strict about user experience when designing a product and focusing on human engineering to facilitate service provision. Our Israeli production plant handles all the production processes from design and engineering to production, testing, and packaging. To ensure stable quality and constant improvement, our production plant is ISO 9001 certified, as our compressors comply with American and European international standards. This is how years of experience and intelligent engineering result in reliable and efficient compressed air solutions. LTD Compressors, cutting-edge compressed air technology.